Hi everyone, it's Eva. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. I have a planning video for you today, and I will be planning out the week of January 7th through the 13th. Now this is kind of a sort of like not a memory keep because I really didn't have that many plans. So I mostly am just going to decorate this page just for the funsies. So I am using the I Am collection from Simple Stories, and I wanted to take this stencil pad from Echo Park, and I wanted to have faint hearts in the background. Now, the point of the I Am collection is more like empowering. You are someone, you are amazing, you are blessed, you are loved, you are working on yourself. So that's what I figured January is all about. It's pretty much trying to figure out how you want to plan the rest of the year. So that's why I wanted to have, like I said, the faint hearts in the background. So throughout this video, you will be seeing I tried working with the lighting, so some of the clips might be a little bit brighter than others, so I apologize for that. But when I was done with the stencils on my monitor, you couldn't really see them, but now looking back at the playback, you can actually see the hearts. So I'm really glad how it turned out on this page. So I am taking one of the journaling cards that says I am on a journey, because I'm still trying to find my way in planning, in scrapbooking. I can't find my groove yet. I've been planning for over a year now, and the majority of the times I'm like, what do I want to put? What do I want to notate? What do I want to jot down? And the majority of the times I just forget. So I'm still trying to figure that out. So this week is going to be more so of a decorative page for me than anything. So like I said, I'm taking this journaling card, which I really love. I'm on a journey. So I'm going to use that and put it in the middle on the 10th through the 12th, so that way it could take up space, and just decorate the rest of the page. I took a paper from the 6x6 pad and used it as a big washi strip for the bottom. And then I will take the stickers from the sticker sheet and just kind of use that for some deco. And then I also took a floral, I can't remember which floral it is, but washi tape from Simply Gilded, of course. We always want to have our Simply Gilded washi tape. And I took little strips that didn't make it onto this video, but I did take little strips and I just ripped them up. There was no perfection at all whatsoever. So I wanted the jagged edge of the rip washi tape. So that's what I did. I'll put in a picture at the end of the video so you can see how it turned out. But yeah, so that was pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope January has been treating you well, as we're already in the middle of January. So crazy. And I will see you in my next video.